What a fitting weekend. Yes, it is Mother's Day, but it's also Pregnancy Awareness Month. 30 days of dedicated support for women planning to expand their family. Joining me to answer a few questions about reproductive health and tell us about a special walk taking place next weekend is Dr. Mary Jane Minkin, Clinical Professor of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Yale University's Medical School. Doctor, welcome.
Thank you, Cindy.
As we know, planning a family can be very, very stressful. What advice do you have as the family's thinking about that?
Okay. First, de-stress as best you can. That's the important thing. And know if you are having any troubles conceiving, that there's a lot of help available. So that's important. And this, of course, is National Infertility Awareness Month, so we want to be working on those issues now.
Now, how can couples increase their chances of pregnancy?
Okay. Leading a good, healthy lifestyle is a wonderful place to start. Meeting with your health care provider as you're getting ready for a preconception visit is good. You want to be good nutrition. You want to not drink. You want to not take drugs. You want to not smoke. All those things will optimize a healthy outcome. You want to start taking some vitamins, prenatal vitamins with folic acid. Very important to be on to minimize the risk of getting birth defects, of having a baby with birth defects. So all of these things can be done in advance.
Now, we know as you get older, it's tougher to get pregnant. What kind of, 20s, 30s, 40s are the chances?
Well, unfortunately, fertility does tend to diminish with age, but it's not zero until we go through menopause, so we have to keep that in mind. But indeed, that we always tell couples who are trying to conceive that if they are under the age of 35, and, the woman is under the age of 35, to give it a year of trying. Now, there are certain things that we can do to optimize trying to get pregnant at that time frame. Doing ovulation predictor kits, for example. The First Response folks have a very nice digital ovulation predictor kit, which will tell you when you're ovulating to try to maximize your important activities along those lines. So that's something you can do. But if somebody is 35 or older, we tend to tell people that give it 6 months of trying, but if it's not happening at that point, do talk to your healthcare provider.
Now, we hear a lot about infertility. How many couples does that affect?
Unfortunately, it's about 1 in 8. Wow. Okay, so fortunately, most people will get pregnant without a problem. That may not happen the first month, but it will happen in that time frame we talked about. But indeed, but again, for those 1 in 8, there's a lot of things that we can do.
Okay, we hear about insurance mandates for fertility coverage. How is our area with that?
Our area is pretty good. New York has infertility coverage, which is good. Most states in this area do. There are, unfortunately, some places that do not.
All right. Well, next weekend, let's talk about this very special event. It is Resolve's, the Walk of Hope.
Yes, Resolve is the National Infertility Awareness Organization, excellent organization, and they are sponsoring these Walks of Hope. New York happens to have one, but there are many throughout the country, and you can go to resolve.org to find one near you if you're not from the New York metropolitan area. But you can go to resolve.org and get that information. The walk in New York is next Saturday, and it's at Van Cortlandt Park, and it's a wonderful opportunity to help raise awareness about infertility and also to help Resolve raise money to educate folks on this very important topic.
And I'm guessing people must feel really good to be there and they're not alone, because so many people are kind of dealing with this, just, the couple.
Absolutely, and it's important to realize there are a lot of folks out there who are in the same situation, and there is a lot of help available.
Okay, Doctor, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, Cindy.
Now, the Walk of Hope, it takes place again next Saturday in Van Cortlandt Park in the Bronx. For more information, head to our website, cbsnewyork.com.